Hey everyone, I wanted to talk to you real quick about, or answer a question real quick, rather that's an important question that's been raised, and that's which product do we recommend as a company that we've used in the past or are using currently that has given us good results, has been effective for us? What do we recommend you use as a pre-emergent in your lawn? And there's three products in particular that I want to show you that we have used on our program in the past or that we're using right now that we can recommend. And the first one is Simazine. It says Princep here, but the product is Simazine. Simazine it's a great product. It's going to give you really good coverage for late emerging winter weeds that come up in the early spring. It's also going to help with or be very effective against your broadleaf weeds throughout the spring. Only downside to Simazine is you will get some breakthrough in your grassy weeds come late spring and summer, such as crabgrass. You'll get a little bit of breakthrough with those types of weeds if you use Simazine. Now, prodiamine, the next one is prodiamine. It's also a great product. It's going to give you much better coverage for those grassy weeds in the summer and the late spring, but you might have some breakthrough in broadleaf weeds if you use prodiamine. So both products are very effective and work very well. You just kind of have to decide which one you want to have to deal with and do some spot treatments on. And honestly, we would recommend using the prodiamine and then spot treating for the broadleaf weeds as they come up, because they're easier to deal with than a lot of your grassy weeds. The last product is called Spectacle. Spectacle is what we use right now in our program, and it's by far the best product on the market. It's not even close. It gives you coverage for all kinds of weeds, broadleaf, grassy. It gives you a 9-month residual in coverage, which is unheard of in the pre-emergent world before this stuff came out. So it's an incredible product. You hardly have any breakthrough at all when you use this product. Now, the downside to this is it's not very homeowner friendly. 1 gallon of it, like this right here, is $1,700. So it's very expensive. If you're using it in volume, like we do, it makes a lot of sense. But for a homeowner, treating your own lawn, that doesn't make a whole lot of sense to pay that much money for your product. But that's the best stuff on the market. So if you're doing it yourself, you're probably going to lean towards prodiamine or Simazine. That's what we would recommend. So hope that helps. If you have any questions about that or need any help with it, feel free to let us know. Again, right now is the time to put this stuff out. You've got to get it done right now, or it's not going to be effective at all come spring and summer. So again, hope that helps. Let us know if you have any questions in the comments below, or give us a call or message us, and we'll be glad to help you out. Thanks.